Every year, cathedrals around the world hold a special tradition called the Blessing of the Animals. This ceremony is inspired by Saint Francis of Assisi, known for his love of animals and nature. People bring a wide variety of animals: dogs, cats, birds, camels, snakes, and even farm animals to receive blessings. Priests pray for their safety, health, and the harmony between humans and all living creatures. The event usually takes place in early October and reminds everyone that compassion and respect should extend to every form of life. For many, it's a powerful moment where faith meets love for animals.